What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to delete your Twitter account. So here I have Twitter opened on my phone. I need to tap on my personal photo or the letter here at the top left corner and then go to settings and support at the bottom and then choose settings and privacy. From here I need to choose your account and then the very last option is to deactivate your account. So if you tap on it, you'll see the option to deactivate your account. But what if you want to delete it, not deactivate it? I'll tell you how. So if you scroll down here, you'll see deactivate with red here at the bottom. You'll need to enter your password to confirm your identity. Then when you enter your password and click on deactivate in red here, your account will be deactivated. So that's not permanent yet, but if you deactivate your account and you do not sign in the next 30 days, after 30 days of inactivity or of deactivation, your account will be permanently deleted from Twitter.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.